So I think that's sort of the ultimate dream there. But beautiful rig there. And the tray. I think I'm more amazed with the tray than the car. But gotta get ourselves one of them.
We're gonna get underway. Sorry for a bit of a delayed start, but before I get into anything further, I'd like to invite Ernest Madua to give us a welcome to country to kick off the 2021 event.
Weigh-in commences tomorrow, Friday the 3rd of September at 4 PM, finishes at 5:30, and it's the same for Saturday. I can't emphasise this point enough. You must present your competition number, your key ring for open, or your ticket for junior competitors when weighing in your fish. If you don't have these with you, we're just going to send you away. You're going to have to get them. We've had over the last couple of years where we've had to send people away and then they've not been able to get back in time for when the weigh-in closes at 5:30. So catch and release for the open competition anglers, Queenfish, Barramundi and Trevally. The juniors, Queenfish and Barramundi. So prizes for this category are awarded for the longest fish. This is fork length for Queenfish and Trevally. And competitors must present a digital photo of the live fish, which includes the 2021 capture card, which, as I mentioned earlier, you can grab down at the merchandise tent.
So that was Friday night at the 2021 Weipa Fishing Classic, the opening night, and we've signed up for it. So we haven't signed up for it. We bought a raffle ticket, which includes the, I guess, entry into the fishing comp. But here she is, number 806, and haven't been drawn yet into the raffle. It's something like $190,000 worth of prizes, which is pretty incredible for a small town like this. Big fishing comp. It's just been blowing, really, blowing a gale. So we did no fishing, but we went again last night, checked it out, had a look at the sort of the comp, and well, had another good night. But today is sort of fishing day, so we're down here, usual spot. We're going to try it for a couple of hours. Tide's right out and the wind's dropped right down, so we'll see how we go. Hoping we can get something. I'd love to just get a fish and say, yeah, I caught a fish. But I think the record for Queenies right now is 79 centimetres. I don't know, we'll see how we go. If we can get one around there, I'll be over the moon. We did get that 104, I think it was, centimetre one. That'll be a winner, that one. But yeah, today we're just going to try and have a fish and then finish it off with the grand prize draw tonight, which should be good. The Weipa Fishing Classic. Good event, loads of people here, loads of boats out, even in this wind. So let's see if we can get a fish. Loads of people about as well fishing, so they got the same idea. But yeah, we'll try this spot. We'll go to our little potty mullet there. And if we get nothing after the first couple of hours, we'll go to the little, flick the lure around, I don't know where, we're just sort of winging it. So it looks like everyone's sort of coming down to here. This must be the spot for now. But yeah, fair few people. Old mate's got his awning up there. Don't know how it's going to go with the wind, but good luck to him. So far, nothing. We've moved up from down there. I don't know whether to chuck the other little rod out, sort of have two going. I think that might be an idea. But, we've got limited mullet, so we'll see if we can get some more, I guess. So I don't know about here. It's just too bloody windy, I think, so we're going to wait for this last little mullet we got on there to disappear and then probably head off. Try and find a little calmer area. But loads of boats coming back in. And it's hard to see, but out there, there's sort of, be about 200 metres out, there's loads of birds having a little bust up. So must be a school of fish out there. So if we had a boat, we probably would have been out there. But we'll see how this last one goes, and then we'll head off, find a different little spot. Don't really know what I'm going to look for, but something different from this. Well, that's the mullet done. So we're packing everything up here, and we're going to mosey on out of here. But these birds here and having a little scratch around. But I think we're going to head out here, just have a little walk out the edge there, and have a flick of a lure. Can't hurt, I don't think. I don't expect much, but give it a little try, see what we can get. So this is a little, I guess, lure I've been recommended, but it's a Samaki or Samakai. I'm just going to call it Samaki Jerkbait SF90. I've never really had any luck with lures, so I don't know. This is what they recommended, so we'll give it a little burn. Just too bloody windy. So she's just too windy there, which is a bit of a pain, because it's a good little spot there. You just relax all day. But yeah, too windy, and I haven't got enough mullet, which is what it is. So I don't know what we're going to get today, but we're going to keep trying this little lure here, and we've got a couple of them, a couple of soft plastics as well. But yeah, fishing here with the mullet, just sort of live baiting, I wouldn't say it's easy, but there's no real work involved. So we're just going to keep going around and see if we can find a nice little sheltered area and flick a lure around, or a soft plastic, see how we go. Something a bit different, and something I want to sort of get into instead of just live baiting. But let's get into it, I guess. And this competition as well, it doesn't matter if I catch a fish or not. We're entered into the what do you call it, the major prize draw, and it supports the community with that ticket that we bought, and it's just sort of an added bonus to be in the competition with that ticket, so if you know what I mean somehow. But let's get into it, see if we can find a nice little sheltered area and have a flick around. So we're down here, different little spot, but we're with the two travelling tradies, which a couple of blokes we've bumped into, staying at the same place we're staying. Good couple of blokes, so we'll come fishing with them, see what we can get. And we'll chuck some liveys out here and have a little flick with the lure, so we'll see how we go. Well, absolutely nothing there. Not one of us got a single bite, which is a bit devastating. A couple of boys walked right out on the rocks, didn't get anything. Fair bit of mullet floating around, but I don't know. We ain't gonna go for them. We don't need any more. We got a fair few in the bucket still. But we're gonna head to a secret little spot that the boys have got. Little creek, so don't really know what to expect there, but we'll head up there with them. They reckon there's some good fishing in there, so that's what I want to do as well. Check out some creeks and sort of learn how to fish in the creeks. But let's get over there.
Wait.
So we've managed to get ourselves a nice little queenie, but unfortunately the GoPro's just, I don't know what it's done, had a bit of a moment, stopped filming, but we've got ourselves a fish, an entry into the 2021 Weipa Fishing Comp. She's not going to be a winner, but she's an entry, so I'm happy with that. But let's get back to it.
There's not the one that got away. I've got a few of those tails today. Unfortunately, not quite the father of the year, but we got out and we had a go, so that's what it's all about, family fishing fun. We got second in the barramundi is Cole Howell. He's obviously graced us with his presence. Next, Prince of Weipa. Back to see if he can still do what he does best, and he looks like his son beat him. But it's an 81.3 centimetre barra. Good on you, Cole. And first place goes to Dave Howell with a 91.5 centimetre barra. Well done, mate. I don't know what it feels like to lose to a junior with a 98.4, but I mean 91.5 is pretty good. I think we go to number 18. It's a Westinghouse 300 litre chest freezer food saver cryovac machine and a $200 butcher's voucher. This is nearly $1,500 worth of a prize, discounted by Weipa Furniture and Electrical. Let's roll. I'm going to do one. 752, 752. 65-inch LG TV and LG soundbar, discounted by Weipa Furniture and Electrical. They did us some really great prizes, and a big shout out and a big thanks to them. $2,228, if I'm being precise, is the value of it. It's sitting over there in the corner. Let's find out who that person is. I'm going to hold the hat. Janine can pick it out. Ticket number 1100. Let's see who wins the tinny. Who do you think is going to be happy? One of those three, yeah. 884. All right. Here we are, 884. Nice work. The two can still come together. Let's do it. Let's tell Weipa about the product.
Yeah, well, it's a quality built Queensland boat. Nice deep V, very stable in the water. Whoever wins this boat, it's a great East Coast boat. It's got a solid trailer, and I wish I was winning it. But I'd just like to quickly say congratulations to the Weipa Fishing Classic. Aaron and the team, well done, guys. Great event.
Thank you. And Michael Rowland's coming out as well. It's a little bit like a repeat, except they've got a crowd this time, so they're jelly wrestling in front of everyone. No, they're not jelly wrestling, they're wrestling. But they're going to duke it out. But Michael is going to fight via hand in the hat, and they're going to wrangle. So I'm going to tell you, Jason's ticket will be first prize. Michael's ticket, duke it out. All right. So we're gonna go to Michael.
How nervous would you be?
Very nervous.
1998, 1998 Shane Johnson, proud owner of a buggy, which means, how good is that? How good is that? Happy days, congratulations. Hello, Shane. Photo, buddy.
Hey guys, how you doing? You guys ready? Thanks for having us.
Well, what can I say? The Weipa Fishing Classic 2021, a bloody great show, and just the guys that put it on, huge applause. They've done it through their sort of work days off and in like the background, so they've done it tough, but absolutely amazing show, amazing 3 days. Didn't get that much fishing in, which is a bit of a bugger. Blew a gale, you get that, but still managed to get a fish and get an entry, so I'm over the moon there. The queen fish was at 64 centimetres, I think it was. The winner was 78 centimetres, and I think third place was 68, something like that. So nowhere near it, but a couple of weeks ago, that 104 centimetre queenie would have been good. But awesome show, huge shout out, absolute legends.